Bibigay lahat sa'yo, pag-ibig ko'y totoo.
So where's the president?
Miss Annette Gozon Obregar, Mr. Joey Abacan, Miss Elaine Lozano, Miss Tracy Garcia, ladies and gentlemen of GMA Films, good morning.
It's okay. You can remain sitting. You don't need to stand up. It's okay. Okay.
First and foremost, we come in peace. Peace be with you. You have seen our journey in show business from just being an extra to becoming a star.
Saan? Like, anong show?
Forget that. We're no, because we're stars now. We made it.
It's history.
Yeah, it's history.
Okay.
I was just, I'm just trying to introduce our history.
Can we move on? Mabilisan lang natin.
Sige.
Kasi nanginiti pa kami.
Okay, it's time for us to level up, be recognized, and represent the Filipino race in the land where all dreams are made real. In the land of America, particularly in Hollywood.
Hollywood movie?
It's a reality. Reality.
Try to think
movie.
of it as an expedition,
Yeah.
as a documentary,
So, you want us to spend for your trip, tapos pasusundan namin kayo para gumawa kami ng
Parang
pelikula.
mockumentary.
Yeah, something like that.
First reality movie in the Philippines.
If we make it there, at least part po kayo.
Mga Moelas, magkano naman ang iniisip mo, Elaine?
Siguro mga ano lang yan. Mga 20 million lang yan.
20 million?
Ano lang yan?
Halika na nga.
Hindi naman cash yun. Staggered naman yun.
Can you excuse us for a while?
You may be excused.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Alam mo, sinasayang lang nila oras natin. Mukhang mga weirdo.
Actually, ang daming nagsabi sa akin parang yun.
Sikat ba naman yun?
Parang nagugustuhan tayo. Parang may feeling ako nagugustuhan tayo.
Diyos ko, 20 million? Ano ka naman yun?
Na-impress sa'yo, pare. Parang na-impress sa'yo.
Hindi ko din yun, no? Bibigyan lang natin sila ng maliit na budget, bahala na. Tapos tingnan natin kung makadeliver sila.
Tagal ah.
Pupuntahin mo na Amerika?
Sige, so, pag-usapan namin ni Elaine kung anong budget yung kailangan nyo. Tapos sige, tingnan natin kung feasible.
I mean to say, tuloy po tayo.
Parang interesting naman yung
But
proposal.
yeah, I knew it.
May tamang spelling ang swerte. Sa isang iglap, may pelikula ng dalawa. May 1 million peso budget. Lilipad ng libre pa Amerika. Simula ng swerte para sa dalawa.
GMA Films is experimenting on a reality movie with two unknown guys, Ariel and Maverick. So why does Annette Gozon Obregar, GMA Films president, give them this much trust? What the...
I think it will be a new kind of movie kasi hindi pa nagagawa to sa Philippines. They bring their own brand of comedy. So I think it will be refreshing to watch this type of movie.
At ito, unverified to pero nahuli raw silang nagtakas ng mulawin costume sa GMA. Ay, ano kayang kalokohan ang gagawin ng dalawang to sa Amerika?
For Maverick and Ariel, it is obvious that your friendship is here today, and it is also most possible that it's kaput tomorrow. So, what would you do in order to prevent that friendship together?
Ano sa Tagalog yung sinasabi? Ganun pa rin Tagalog. Kabog, I mean down. Kabog, yes. Okay, ito.
Yes! Aalis ka na?
Oo
Hindi, saan ka pupunta?
Eh,
Seriously, saan ka pupunta?
pupunta sana ako sa States. Papasok na akong Hollywood. Kahit ano lang, second lead lang.
Pupunta ka Amerika. Alam mo naman, baka kala mo, binibiro kita. Baka kala mo, wala akong concern sa'yo. So, may dollars ka na ba? Oo, kita mo.
Joe, alam mo, actually, hindi ko na-expect yung ganyan eh. Yung akin, bas-bas lang, masaya na ako. Pero kung may pocket money...
Okay. Huwag ka namang umasang, basta may dollars lang ako bibigay sa'yo.
Hindi, malaking bagay na yan, Joe. Malaking bagay na yan.
Okay.
Uy! Green money!
O, sana'y
Joe,
makatulong yan, ha?
Thank you, Joe,
Okay.
Alam ko, mamimiss ko kayong mga taga-showbiz eh. Mamimiss ko kayo.
Sigurado babalikan man yan eh.
Oo.
Okay.
Jo, salamat, Jo.
Okay, good luck ha.
Bait talaga. Sige, Jo.
Oo, bahala ka na dyan. Sige.
Sige, thank you.
Okay.
Sige, Jo, ingat. Bait talaga nitong pinsan ko. Siguro nagbigay pa ng pocket money. Green money. Teka, ang ganito ba ito? Parang sulat hapon. Diyos ko naman yan.
Sa Hollywood.
Hollywood.
Naku, di makikita mo yung mga crush ko doon, yung mga artista ron. Sina Robert Taylor, si Clark Gable, si Gregory Peck. Naku, si Tyrone Power at saka si Paul Newman.
Mi, hindi ako pupunta sa sementeryo. Sa Hollywood!
Eh bakit? Patay na ba yung mga yun?
Mi, ikaw na lang ang buhay.
O pagka nandun ka, huwag kang gala ng gala. Hindi ka kilala ron. Mamaya, mabugbog ka dun. Oy, hindi ka nakikinig eh.
Nakikinig ako. Hindi mo mata ginagamit ko, tenga eh.
Ano ba yan?
Candy.
Ang dami. Ano yan, para sa hilo?
Hindi, siyempre, di ba, pag tumitake up ang aeroplano, masakit dito yung kailangan may inunguya ka.
Ay, hindi naman yata candy dito. Teka nga. Orange na. Amoy orange. Malagkit na. Nanghuhulas na yata. Baka luma na ito.
Ano ka ba dito?
Hindi naman lasang orange. Eh, parang balloon. Ano ito? Lobo? Lobo ba ito?
Diyos ko naman yun. Ano ko ba?
Hindi man lasang orange.
Huwag ko nang gagalawin to. Bad sa ito, bad.
Malagkit oh.
Punas mo naman dyan.
Well, this is it, ladies and gentlemen. Talagang totoo na po at lilipad na po kami papuntang
Hollywood!
Hollywood. Ito po yung baon ko. It's here on my belt. Well, Philippines,
Pasensyahan tayo.
sayonara, goodbye. You know, when we get back, we'll be more famous. So, guys, Maverick and Ariel, signing out. Are you sure? Kasi I think we belong here. Sir Jay, sabi kasi ni Manuel Rojas ikaw daw ang hahanapin ko pagdating dito.
Hindi pwede.
Mangangati kami dyan sa Economist. May hilo ko dyan. Maaatim niyo bang yung itsura namin? Uupo kami sa Economist eh.
Pero mga fans yun lahat. GMA. Si GMA, kausapin ka.
Ito ang Amerika, the land of milk and honey, the greener pasture. Hollywood.
I can feel the breeze. This is it, my friend. Hollywood, here we go.
Hollywood, get ready.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, good. How are you?
Good.
We have a
Ariel.
reservation.
Hi, nice to meet you.
We're the
Yes.
famous stars in the Philippines.
Yes, we have reservations, please. Maverick and Ariel.
Oh,
So we want the room of Brad Pitt, Tom Cruise, or Johnny Depp.
The one he uses when they're here, like.
So you're already checked in. So these are your room.
Oh, thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Selena.
Selena.
Yes, nice
Selena.
to meet
Are you
you.
an American citizen?
Americanized.
Very good. I'll talk to you later.
Let's go.
Okay.
Bibigay lahat sa'yo, pag-ibig ko'y totoo.